This is a standard install on a barn door and tracking system. There are lots of different types. Read the instructions because each one can be different, and have fun installing barn doors. As far as barn door track, there's so many different types. So there's going to be different measurements. There's going to be all kinds of different hardware. This track is probably your low cost track on this one. So the main thing with the barn door track is that you have something solid to mount it to. So you might have to take the wall apart, or you're going to be putting a trim board across it and really fastening it really good. So that is part of barn door installation, making sure that you have something that you can hang off. If you can't hang off it, you shouldn't put the barn door on. You'll put this part, it's like a keeper, and it just goes just right beside the roller so that it prevents the roller from jumping off the track. You'll have one on each side. So we're going to install the inside guide first. This is an adjustable guide. We want it about 1/4 of an inch away from the wall. But each door hardware is different. There'll be different types of guides. So just have to keep that in mind. Not all tracks are created equal. So install the door, pull back, and just let it slide in. So what we're going to want to do is slide our stoppers on. Door's even with the frame, so that's where we'll adjust our stopper and we'll tighten it up for a bit. Outside guide on. It'll go there. You'll want to give it a little bit of give. So what you want to do for the close, we're going to slide our stopper on. We'll close our door to where we want it to shut. Bring our stopper up to it, and then tighten these two screws. You want those so the door does not fall off if it gets jarred. You wouldn't want this door to fall down on an animal or a child or yourself.